Hi everyone, hope all are safe and healthy. So let us start today's class. But before starting today's class, let us recapitulate what you have learned in the previous class. So in the previous class, you have learned the numbers from 901 to 1000, forward and backward numbers, place value, face value, expanded form, standard form. This and all you have learnt in your previous class. So let us start today's class. In today's class, you will be learning about forming numbers. Now, let us form the number using the digits 4, 1 and 5. So here, what are the possible numbers? So the numbers are 1, 4, 5. Smallest number is 1, after that 4, after that 5. Then 1, 5, 4. Yes? After this number we can form one more number. Next number is 4. So 4, 1, 5. 415. 451. Next 5, 1, 4. 5, 4, 1. So these are the possible numbers. These we got the numbers using these three digits. Now among this, which is the smallest number using 415, 145? This is the smallest number, right? This is the smallest number. And which is the greatest number using these digits? 541 is the greatest number. Like this, we can form numbers without repetition of digits. Now, let us start check pointer 4.4. 4.4. Form all possible 3-digit numbers using the given digits only once. It means that we should not repeat. What are the numbers? 6, 0 and 5. Using these 3 digits, we have to form the number. So, let us start. So how many possible ways? Let us see now. So first it's a 3-digit number. So if we write 0, it's not possible. It will become 2-digit number. Here we need 3-digit number. So we'll write 5, 0, 6. 5, 6, 0. Okay. Next. After this, 6, 0, 5 and 6, 5, 0. These are the possibility of 3-digit number using the digit 6, 0 and 5. Okay. Now, let us see next number, that is 3, 1 and 7. 3, 1 and 7. Here you can see among this number, which is the smallest number? 1. After that 3. After that 7. So one number has been formed. Next number 173. Do inverse of this number. 73 we got. Next 317. Next 371. Next 713. And next one number 731. Like this we can form numbers, right? So remaining 2 you can try. You can form the possible 3-digit numbers using 4 to 8 and 4, 5 and 6. Now let us start second main. In this second main, you can see form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number using the given digits in each of the following. One has been done for you. So using the digits 1, 2 and 3, the greatest number is 321 and the smallest number is 123. Now let us form greatest and smallest for the numbers 9, 4 and 2. For this greatest number, what will be the greatest number? How to form the greatest number? We should write in descending order. Means big number to small number. So the number will be 942 will be the greatest number and smallest number 249, an ascending order, small number to big number. So this is greatest and this is smallest. Next number is 8, 6 and 3. We should use this 3 digit and we should form the greatest and the smallest. So greatest 863, smallest 368. Correct? Next 7, 0 and 5. So what is the greatest number here? 750. 3 digits we should form. We should not write 057. Okay? So we should write 507. This will be the smallest. Next 4, 1 and 3. So the greatest number will be 431 and the smallest number will be 134. So all of you can complete this and you can try with some more digits in your free time. Now let us start the third main, that is form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. You may repeat a digit. One has been done for you. Here you can repeat a digit twice. Suppose the number is 2 and 7. For this the greatest number is 772. As you can see in the example in the page number 85. And smallest is 227. Now let us find the answer for the numbers 9 and 8. Digits are 9 and 8. So what is the greatest number? 998. What will be the smallest number? 889. What I am doing here? Greatest number I repeated twice. So it became the greatest number. And in smallest number, I have repeated the smaller number twice. Okay, and the next number is 4 and 6. So here 664. We should form 3-digit number. Using 2 digits, we should form 3-digit number. So the next one will be 446. Next is 5 and 0. 5 and 0. For the greatest, we can write 550. But the smallest, what we can write? We can write 0, we cannot write. If we write 0, it will become 2-digit or single-digit number. So, we will write first number as 5 and second number as 0. And again we will write 0. 0 we will repeat twice. So, the smallest number is 500. Next, 1 and 3. Here the greatest number will be 331. Smallest number will be 113. So let us recapitulate what you have learned today. Today you have learned forming numbers without repetition and forming numbers with repetition. Thank you for listening, children. Bye. See you in the next class.